In this video, I will show you how to do week-over-week comparison in Metabase. By the end of this tutorial, you will be able to quickly see how your main metrics are changing. So first thing you need to do is be logged in into your Metabase account. Now, from here, we are going to create a brand new question. So right here at the top right corner, click on New and then on Choose Question. This opens the query builder where we decide what data we want to analyze. Now choose your data source. Okay, so I will go with this order according to like so. If your team use a cleaned or modeled table, I recommend selecting that one so your field and definition stay consistent. So next, choose your metrics. The simple option is count or rows. So right here, count of rows, which shows how many orders happened. This is perfect for demonstrating week-over-week changes. If you are tracking something else like revenue or active users, just pick the appropriate field and aggregation in here. But for this walkthrough, count of rows, keep things nice and simple. Now, select your data field, usually something like order, date, or create. Like so, group by week. So order, date. So I will go with create add. Then here on the right side, I will choose by week, like so. So Metabase will automatically group your data into calendar weeks. Depending on your settings, week may start on Sunday or Monday. Time zones can also affect which days fall into each week. If your data spans multiple years, Metabase will label the weeks with the year to keep everything clear. Once that's done, click to visualize. In the bottom left, you can switch between a line chart or a bar chart to clearly see the weekly trend. Adjusting labels or display options can make the pattern much easier to read at a glance. So when your weekly metric is set up, Metabase automatically shows the latest week's value and the percentage change compared to the previous week. Green mean an increase. So right here, count like so. So just keep in mind, if the previous week was 0, the percentage changes can be misleading. Also, if the current week isn't finished yet, the numbers may look lower than usual. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, consider to like the video, subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.